Just
Auto,
select.
up.
Up.
Automatic.
Just,
Yeah, hold it a little longer.
yeah.
There you go.
Out.
Yeah.
Just rest it on the bench there, that's fine.
That kicks.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's your first one.
Yeah.
And it just goes up from there.
Very good. Nice.
Safe, yeah?
Move
Perfect.
the target back.
Good.
Yeah, go for it. All right, so just hit the safety down in the semi, or in full auto if you want.
So it's that one.
Nope, just the
Okay.
safety.
Right.
So, position. Finger off.
Going auto?
Yeah. That's it.
We're out.
That's good.
That's strong.
How'd you be
Separate
accurate
your
with
Go
it?
ahead and these
That
two
one?
tabs,
Yeah, like that.
pinch in
One
and lift up.
Yeah, one position.
Yes.
See the red? Okay.
All right, your
Ready?
first round. Cover up the first opening with the first
One
round.
moment. One moment.
Like that.
Oh.
Oh.
A little bit, one back.
One back. Oh, it grips on there.
Yep, grips on
Oh, I
there.
see.
Close very hard.
That's it. No, it's empty.
Perfect.
Okay.
Left
Done,
hand
yeah.
over here.
It's done. You
All
see?
right, now shooting
more.
position,
Oh, this. Very fast, this one.
and then hit your safety, which is right over here. Just push straight in.
Just push that in.
Yes. Whenever you're ready to start, and that goes full auto. Low recoil, okay? Come on up, guys.
Right,
Let's
that's
get feel
clicked.
from here.
Okay. Be very aggressive with it.
Sharon, come in here.
Come on
Incline.
in. Nothing will happen.
You see your red dot?
Ready?
We're
Push
ready.
the safety down.
Oh, I like that. I'm going to let it all go.
Go ahead, load your 2 rounds. You want to get a photo with those?
Yeah, so I'm looking at the size of these. Come get some pictures. I'll load it up.
Definitely. Just like that, straight down.
Just push it.
Yep. That's it. It's like big Legos.
And one on top of the other.
Yep.
Posing.
Definitely. All right. Up at that angle and then rotate up. Good. Right hand. All right, go ahead and push your bolt forward. Very hard. Perfect. Now left hand, you can go here, you can go here, or hold it up here. Whatever's comfortable.
So is there a safety?
Yep, right there, just pull straight down with your right thumb.
Oh yeah.
And you're ready to go, okay? Aim in, make sure we see those crosshairs.
My suggestion is
Let me,
Oh, yeah,
hold on 1
crosshairs.
second. Let me push your target back.
Right.
I know it's not far, but
Yeah, I can see the
come on
crosshairs.
in, guys. You can film.
lean forward.
Go when I'm ready.
You see it?
Yeah, I can see the crosshairs. Shall I go?
Yep. All right, nice.
What's that? Oh, that's just off the desk.
Magazines. Let's go up and then very hard. All right, round 2.
Is that big hole?
Yeah, sure you don't want to get in there.
Let's shoot at the head or the
head.
Facebook sign or something.
Head.
Go for it.
Alright. This is my favorite. Model
The smoke and the dust.
All right, let's go up and back again.
Up and back.
1,